Now let's take a closer look into each of the different colored candlesticks. Candlesticks can be described as graphical representations of the price movement of a stock or other asset for a certain period of time. Using candlesticks can be very helpful for every strategy, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or even investing. They provide you with valuable insight into potential market turns and reversals, which will improve your timing when entering and exiting your positions. Candlesticks are usually shown in one of three colors. The candlestick body colors may vary depending on the platform and the chart that you're using, but basically you will have three different candlestick colors. The lines at the top and or bottom of each candlestick is called the wick or the shadow. For this example, we will use the traditional white, red, and black candlesticks. Each candlestick color represents the price action for an asset on a particular day. A white candlestick represents the price closing higher than the previous day. This is a bullish candle. It means the day had more buyers than sellers. A red candle represents the price closing lower than the previous day. This is a bearish candle and means that the day had more sellers than buyers. A black candlestick represents the price closing below the opening price, but higher than the previous day's closing price. This is a neutral candle that represents indecisiveness. So to sum it all up, the colors of the candlesticks and the length of the lines or wicks shows the opening and closing price, whether the stock price went up or down, and how high and how low the stock price went for that particular day. So let's take a closer look at how to read and analyze each individual candlestick. Here's an example of three different candlesticks, each with a different color. We have a black neutral candle, a red bearish candle, and a white bullish candle. This image actually represents 3 days of price movement for a particular stock that I was looking at. The top of the vertical lines, also called the wick or shadow, represents the highest price the stock reached for that particular day. The bottom of each wick represents the lowest price the stock reached for that day. The top of the actual colored bars or the candle body can either represent the price in which the stock opened, which means the first price that was traded on that day, or the price where the stock closed, which was the last price traded before the closing bell. For white candlesticks, the top of the bar shows the stock's closing price, and the bottom of the bar shows the opening price. For red candles, the top of the bar shows the opening price, and the bottom of the candle shows the closing price. And for black candles, the top and bottom of the candle can either be the opening or the closing price. The patterns these candles form can provide great insights into potential price movements of a stock or other asset. In the next lecture, we will go over how to analyze simple candlestick patterns to use for technical trading. I'll see you in the next video. To get the full Stock Trading and Investing Technical Analysis Masterclass, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Also, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever we release new content. The link in the description will take you to the full Stock Trading and Investing Technical Analysis Masterclass, where you will learn how to use candlestick charts and technical analysis for stock trading and investing as you look over my shoulder as I go through multiple strategies, tips, and real day trading examples. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned to see a preview of the Stock Trading and Investing Technical Analysis Masterclass from Quantum Courses. Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to get started with stock trading and investing using technical analysis? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Stock Trading with Technical Analysis Masterclass. Learning how to trade stocks is just like learning a new language. You could try to learn through trial and error, but having a guide will save you a ton of time and probably a lot of money as well. We will cover the top mistakes that most beginners make and the traits that you must develop to become a successful trader. You will learn how to read and understand candlestick charts, and how to apply and use various indicators and overlays to perform technical analysis. We will go over how to create your account on a trading exchange and go over how to use the platform tools. And you will even follow along as you watch me buy and sell stocks as I place real trades with real money. You get to look over my shoulders as I go through multiple day trading examples so you can see my entire trading process from A to Z. No experience or money is required. Trading can be a little overwhelming for beginners, so for the less experienced traders, I will also show you a method that you can use to start practicing trading real stocks without risking any real cash. Starting with this method will allow you to practice the trading techniques and strategies that you learn in the course in a realistic environment, worry-free. You will learn how to create watch lists so you can keep track of your favorite stocks and assets, the best tools and resources to find and analyze trades, various trade types and order strategies, and we will even go over how you can short various markets and assets without using options. As a bonus, we will also discuss some technical investing strategies that you can implement to start intelligently building your long-term investment portfolio. Learning to invest the right way can help you to build wealth over time, help to secure your future, and provide protection against certain economic or financial issues that may arise. So take some time now to check out the free preview videos and go through the course curriculum so you can see everything that we'll be covering in the course. This is a full-length stock trading masterclass covering everything you need to know to get started with zero fluff or filler. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to start learning with me today. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.